So today I'm going to be showing you how to use a cleaning kit to clean an HP LaserJet Enterprise machine. The first thing I'm going to use is my technical clean wipes. The purpose of the technical clean wipes is to clean the inside and the sensitive parts of this LaserJet Enterprise machine. So I'm going to use one as an example. And then I'm going to take my degreaser over here. You do not spray your degreaser directly onto the machine, but you're going to spray it onto the cloth. You can use the cleaning cloth to wipe the scanner glass. Flatbed sensor. And you can also use it to clean the screen.